In this lesson, I'm going to be showing you how to convert text into AI images in Canva. So let's go ahead and get started. As you can see, I have my Canva open here. Now, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go over to apps because I do not have any projects for this yet. So I'm going to go over to apps here once I'm logged in. And once you go to apps, you are going to want to search for apps here. We're going to search for text to image, right? Text to image. And it is going to be the first app you see here. Another way to access this is if you already had a project open. Let's say I was in on this project here, right? You can easily go to apps here and you can look for text to image, and you are going to be able to access the app here. Okay, now we're going to go through this app's pathway here. So let's go ahead and look up text to image. Okay, first one, and I'm going to open up the app and I want to use a new design. It's going to ask if I have an existing design or if I want to use a new one. So I'm going to go ahead and use a new one, and I will just do a document here. Okay. All right, so let's see here. This is how you are going to be able to use this load. Let's see. There are going to be examples, obviously. So if I click try an example, it will look up, a magical city, a magical forest city from the future. And you have a couple of options here, the styles that you want to use, right? So I can do see all, and you're going to see that the styles are going to be, if you want to do just a photo, if you want to do something that's very vibrant, minimalist. So let's do minimalist here. You can also choose, stuff like watercolor, digital art, and you also have the aspect ratio that you want to use here. Okay, now you have square, landscape, as well as portrait. Right, so let's go ahead and do landscape here. I'm gonna go ahead and create my image. All right, so this is gonna take a while depending on how you described the image that you are trying to generate here. So if you have a lot of words in there, it is gonna take a little while, right? So as you can see, here is our newly generated images here. It was a minimalist type of thing. Now, if I go back here, let me go ahead and change something else. Let's do Filmic, okay? Filmic. Go ahead and create again. These are pretty nice. These are very minimalist. There's not really, anything going on here. I'm gonna go ahead and delete this first one, and I'll also delete this one here. Now, you can see here we have our new images here, right? There you go. And let's pick another one here. There we go. So you can see we have our AI generated images from my text. Okay. Now you can also start over here if you want to try this again. Now we can try another example. It's going to be the same process again. This is where you are going to be able to pick the type of images you want to generate, right? This is going to help you out. You don't have to be as descriptive as to describing, you want an image that's neon or that's filmic or that's vibrant, right? Because you have those options here, okay? Now that is pretty much it for this lesson. I'll see you guys on the next one.